Hi everybody, this is Danny. Call myself BSM Danny on the forum of Buzztouch. And I would like to show you my new plugin I'm working on. It's called the Block plugin or the Block Pro plugin. It's actually two plugins. Let me show you how it looks and I'll tell you something about the way it works. Okay, this is my testing app. The testing app, refresh it. Alright, go to the plugins and I have my simple block. That's the ordinary block plugin. I'll show you. You can add an icon, you can add a title, you can add an intro text, and when you click on it, you go on to the detail view. This whole concept is based on a list view and a detail view. Detail view is when I click on an item and it shows me the whole story. See how it looks? I have my intro text, I have my full text, I added a video, I have a footer message, this is the title, and the templates come in 4 colors, at least the one that ships with the plugin. This is the blue color. Let me show you what happens if I change this. You can find what colors it has in the manual. Read the manual and you'll find out that it has 4 colors. Let's try to get this in orange. Okay, I go back to my home screen. I go to my BT app office, as I call it. This is the simple plugin. In the simple plugin, I have the detail view template. Here are some things I have to set. What template should it use? It's for the detail view. I can add my custom footer message. Let me change this into copyright notice 2012. Alright, let's save it. Now I want when I click on a block item with video, it's now blue, but I want to see it in orange. I can add the icon URL. It's the small image in the list view. You can include it in Xcode. You can choose it to load from a URL. It's a transition type. Let me change that to let's say flip. Doesn't matter. We have a date. I can set a date which will be shown in the calendar. We have a title, we have intro text, we have a full text, and I can set a video, a YouTube embed URL, and you can find detailed instructions on how to get the embed URL from YouTube in the manual. Okay, so let's save. I change this from blue to orange. Save. I go back to my app. I refresh. Let's go back to plugins. My simple block. By the way, you can use a header image. You have to install the header image plugin. It's available on buzztouchmods.com. Also on my own site, but I want to keep that a little bit secret until I release some more plugins. So we changed this one, a blog item with video, to orange. Okay, let's see if that works. I click on it. Wow, it's orange. Great, isn't it? And here you can see the date, 14th of June 2012. Okay, some more interesting stuff. We'll leave this page and we'll go to screen's actions, and let's have a look at another block. That's the block Pro, and I have 3 items. Could add easily more if I want, but just to show you again, I have the global settings. What template should I use? It's all in the manual. A footer message. And the Block Pro has a search feature. You can turn it on and you can turn it off. So I want to show you, so I'll leave it. You can set the size of the icons in the list view. You can add a header image, set the height and width of the header image. If you tap the header image, what screen will be loaded. Some layout color settings. For the intro text, I see I have to change this. The color for the title. And in here you can set a row height, and you can set the title within the cell. You can set the left position, the top position, the title height, title width, the font size, and also for the intro text you can set the left position, the top position, intro text height, intro text width. How many lines of intro text do you want to show? In my case it's 3. And what cell background image do you want to load? And this looks very nice. And I've loaded an image. I have an Xcode. It's called cell BG green. Cell BG, it's for cell background green. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like. We'll go to the plugins and say another advanced block. Click. And you see, here's our title. Here is our intro text. Here's the icon. And if I click on it, I go to the black theme. It's not finished yet. You can see the custom footer message. Scroll. Now I also have the search function. And the search function does look at the title as looks at the intro text. So if I was looking for, say, something like America, alright? America. See? Directly found. Okay, I'm going to close this. Say, what are we looking for? Let's say you. More U's in it. Let's find another word. Okay, done. Bendy. No. Let's look for the word no. I did find it. You can click on it, get a detail view. And the Block Pro version, I'll load another one. Okay, clear. You can see this is a different cell background. You can add more images if you like to. And I did that here. Now I can scroll. Oh, sorry. Which one is it? See? Scroll through the images. Much more options will be added before it gets released, but should give you an idea what it does. And I only have to walk through when I create a blog item through all the fields. Okay, do I want an icon? Okay, yes. The transition type, indicator type. What style do I want? Black. You can find it in the manual. A blog item title, a blog item intro text, a blog full text, the default image, and if you have more images you can add so, and it says here you have to comma separate them, so let me just take a look. This is one, comma, another one, comma, okay. I could add some video from YouTube and embed URL. I could use some Vimeo, or I can include a video of myself. I can include audio, blog, map. A map will be added. But let's say, okay, we added some images. Now let's say save. And this was on the Justin Bieber. Okay. Let's have a look at Justin Bieber. Here it is. Loaded. Okay, it will be the same image, but as you can see, we can scroll through it. Very nice. What if I want to change this? Okay, no problem. We go back to our blog list, row height and font size. And I add another cell background image. Let's say green. I want to make it black. I know I have to do this. Save, and this is 85. Save. Let's see how that looks. Refresh. Go to plugins. Another advanced blog. Hey, wow. Some small mistake. I could correct this. Just to say I want no indicator type. Save. Go back, reload, refresh. Go back. And here it is. You see? That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to have your feedback. So thank you very much for watching. We'll be back soon. Thank you.